yakushimasu. I'm fucking hungry right now, but this cameraman guy let me shoot another episode here. Oh, naughty. Again, this is a Harajuku station. It's renovated last year maybe. So that's why this is a new and really clean and beautiful. Used to be a kind of used to be a station, not so beautiful, right? So in front of Harajuku station, there are not so many kind of cultural stuff. Basically, this is a pharmacy drugstore. This is a Gap. Oh, it's not Gap. Oh, this is a shop for cosmetics, and there is IKEA. IKEA? How do you pronounce? IKEA? IKEA? I don't know. In Japan we call it IKEA. And there is Uniqlo as well. This place is always changing and evolving and progressing, you know. That's why there used to be another buildings or another shops. So it's now renovated a lot. There hasn't been Uniqlo, IKEA here, so I'm a bit surprised. When I was a junior high school student, lots of shops are totally different. Yeah, again, in areas like Harajuku or Shibuya, there are lots of constructions going on, so that's why many things are renovated. So this is, I guess it's a department store. This is basically probably a mixture of department store with office building. This is yeah, also the shops for cosmetics. Probably the place is renovated in order to attract foreign tourists from Tokyo Olympics. And I really sincerely hope that Tokyo Olympics will be held, because I really want to meet many friends from all over the world, but it's not still decided, so it's a really sad thing. Right, there are also shops for kind of street clothing, shoes. And this is shops for football, right? This is called KAMO. If you are fan of some J-League clubs or can be Japanese national team, you can buy any uniform here. Over there, this is a uniform for FC Tokyo, which I support. This is a national uniform. This is a FC Tokyo uniform. FC Tokyo used to be a bit weak club, but always in Division 1 J-League. But right now it's evolving, and it's right now second or third place in J-League Division 1. So yeah, if you are football fans, you better visit this place, KAMO. So we are back again with entrance of Takeshita Street. So this is the end of the explanation of the buildings. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much. See ya. Sayonara. Bye bye. Arigato. Thank you very much for watching my episode. Hope to see you guys in the next episode as well. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below here. Is that correct? If you guys got some comments or questions or opinions whatsoever, please write down in the comment section below. So hope to see you guys in the next episode as well. Thank you very much. Sayonara. Bye bye.